The iPhone 15 isn't expected to debut until September 2023, but there's already been a fair number of rumors and leaks for the next iPhone. For example, it looks like Apple will finally embrace USB-C charging and ditch the Lightning port. And we may see an entirely new model named the iPhone 15 Ultra, which could take the iPhone Pro series to the next level with super duper durable titanium design. It also looks like Apple will keep a very large divide between the regular and Pro models, because only the iPhone 15 Pro series is tipped to get a new periscope zoom lens. Of all the early iPhone 15 rumors, this is the most set in stone. It is highly likely that the iPhone 15 will arrive around September 2023, and we can't wait. Typically, Apple announces its phones about 10 days before they're released, with pre-orders opening a week ahead of go time. With the iPhone 14, there was strong speculation that we would see a 15% price increase, but this turned out to be incorrect if you lived in the United States. Good old US of A. Other regions saw a large increase, but in the US, the only change in pricing was the elimination of the cheapest mini model. This year, Apple killed the mini, RIP, and introduced the iPhone 14 Plus instead. That simplified the choice. Whether you wanted to go Pro or not, you could choose between a 6.1 or a 6.7 inch screen. This is quite likely to continue into next year. Within months, it was clear that the iPhone 12 mini was not selling well, but Apple had no choice but to go with the iPhone 13 mini because plans were already set in stone and they couldn't be changed. That means that even if the iPhone 14 Plus fails miserably, we can expect next year's lineup to be similar to this year's. The iPhone 15, iPhone 15 Plus, iPhone 15 Pro, and the iPhone 15 Pro Max. According to recent TrendForce research, these titles were used to emphasize predicted iPhone 15 capabilities. Thus, sticking with the same naming practices appears to be a definite possibility.